Hey guys, Lockpick Mechanic here today with Era 3-star cylinders. They're exactly 3737 summer turns. There's a £1,000 anti-snap guarantee. Let's get it. So some got 1, 2, some come 5. One's give me a bit of touch. Number 4, and there we are. We're into that one. Christ on a cross. That was easy. Now, okay, so I'm going 1, 2, 4, click out of 6, 3, 2, 1, and a pin, I think it's in number 6, there we are, got him open, Christ on a cross. Okay, so I'm on 5, definitely 5, had to touch him again. One, counter rotation of 1, and we're in. Okay, last one now, Christ on a cross. Okay, so I'm going 3, 6, 5's give me counter rotation. Counter rotation of 1. Now I'm trying to find that pin or pins. I think there's about 2 in a lock, I'm not sure though. Looking for that pin. Not on 1, not on 2, not on 3, 5, 6. Double checking 6 now. I think we've got one more pin now. There we are.
Hi, SMB, did you make this one?
So if you have a look at these key pins, you can tell the key pins are standard, but quite nicely done. And then on number 1, we've got this multi-spool that's been filled up with graphite. That's what that black stuff is. And then on number 2, we've got a standard. Number 3 is this pin. Number 4 is a spool. Number 3 is another pin if it's going to come out. Let me get my pick. There we are. And number 6 is another spool. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.